Untamed is the Rocky Mountain construction hybrid conversion of Robin Hood at Walibi, Holland in the Netherlands. Recently, a POV came out, and in this video I will give my thoughts on the POV and the ride itself. Hey guys, it's Phantom Coasters, and welcome back to another video. Recently, Untamed has started testing at Walibi, Holland, and I am here today to give my thoughts on the POV and test footage you are seeing here. So, this coaster, I have said from the beginning, is going to be one of the best RMCs ever, because it looks so good. It has 5 inversions, which is the most on a hybrid coaster, and it has so much airtime and one of the most unique layouts on any RMC. To start off the ride, you go through what will undoubtedly be yet another amazing RMC drop, and into an airtime hill, and into one of the most unique elements on any roller coaster ever. It's 2 inversions with a sideways banked stall in between them, and it looks to give some insane hang time and sideways airtime. This element could very possibly end up being the best on the ride. After this double inversion, you go into a double up, but the second up turns into a bank turn, and then you go through another slight outer bank, and then you go through another outer bank turn, this one hugely outer banked, and then you go through a 0G roll and a turn into a banked airtime moment thing. Yeah. You then go down into another double up, into a double down, which looks like a great ejector moment, and then you go into an overbank turn that barely turns, into another overbank turn that does turn, into a series of multiple airtime hills, one of them outer banked, and then after this you go in through a 1 turn into this insane looking heartline roll, into one more airtime moment before you go up into the brakes. Overall, I think Untamed looks like an outstanding ride, and it hasn't even warmed up yet. Over the next few months, it'll warm up even more, and it'll be running to its full potential, probably by July or August. This looks like such a great ride with so much airtime and some amazing inversions, and hopefully I'll get out someday to ride it because it looks so good. Where do I think it ranks with the other RMCs? I obviously can't say too much because I've only ridden 2 RMCs, and obviously no one's ridden this yet, and so we don't know for sure where it ranks, but based on this one POV and knowing that it's going to warm up, I think this could very easily be a top 4 or even top 3 RMC. So thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.